The Air DD122FW Classic is the best-selling dehumidifier in the UK, has a similar performance to the Meaco DD8L and can be used in all the same scenarios. The unit also benefits from an oscillating louvre to help circulate the air, and Air's patented E7 energy saving function, which toggles the unit between settings so that it does not overdry the air and reduces electricity consumption in doing so. Learn more about the Air DD122FW Classic by contacting a member of our team, who will be happy to assist.